What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. Well, there's a 240, and I bought some Rejuvenate acrylic cleaner because you're not supposed to clean this with glass cleaner. You're supposed to clean it with acrylic cleaner. So, since it's only 28 degrees outside right now, so I'm taking all these top pieces inside. Then we're gonna let it warm up, and we're gonna shoot in the basement, shoot the video in the basement to see with Rejuvenate acrylic cleaner if we will be able to get all this without scrubbing it and scratching the glass. One other thing, the super awesome man that donated this tank to us told us that it's a 2-foot high tank. He says you got to make sure that it's low enough or your ceilings are high enough, because on the 240 acrylic, well, this one, these are in like further in, so this will be the front of the tank right here. So when you're cleaning the tank, you kind of have to have room to get in here, and that's 2 feet down. So I almost gotta dive in this when I'm gonna be able to seal it, because he says make sure you have enough room to get over the top to clean the tank. Now if I didn't have room, if I put the tank too high, I wouldn't be able to get up and get over and get in this acrylic tank. There's nothing to watch for. Okay, so we're in the basement now, and this is what I'm using right now. Rejuvenate soap scum remover. Look at my hair. Oh, my bed head. Rejuvenate soap scum remover. This is made for acrylic. It says on the back for plastic and acrylic. Plastic and acrylic. So, these are the fish tank tops right here. Alright. These are the fish tank tops right here. So, what I'm going to try to do is I'll do the top first, because I know the top will be easier to clean off. This stuff's pretty expensive, actually, to tell you the truth. I got a paper towel here, but I'm probably just going to use a regular towel. I'm going to let it sit for a minute in there. Alright, so still can't see through it, right? But that's the bottom now. The top is shiny, shiny, shiny. Let's see what we could do with this scum right here. Alright, I got you in a different position right here. Look at this. Almost crystal clear already. In here. So if you think believe in government standards, that's government standards right there. But this is pretty expensive. This is $8 a bottle. But you see clear through it now. See the difference? Alright, we're in my basement catch-all clean everything sink right now. I got some Dawn and another microfiber. If this can get ducts clean, maybe this can get this out of here, right? This is just some warm water. Don't press it to break in the middle. Oh, it's washed off and you can see it. You are going to be amazed what warm soapy water did. There's a little bit under, but this is fresh soapy water. Look at it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is the acrylic cleaner. Still got some at the top. I'm going to get that off with the soapy water. But that's the acrylic cleaner. And this is the before. This is the before. That's pretty amazing. So I'm going to keep cleaning these off, and then I'm going to put one in the tank so you can see the difference. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I got the acrylic. It was just cleaned. It was just cleaned. It wasn't buffed. So you figure if this is going to be the tank, It's crystal clear. There's not one difference. You could see the difference because it's double glass, but truthfully, you see my reflection more than anything. Look at it. That's perfectly fine for a fish tank. Look at it, crystal clear. I'm gonna let that drain in here. So for my koi fish, they're freaking out right here. You see my reflection more than anything. So this is ready to go. As long as the tank comes out as clear as this right here, we're gonna go ahead and just seal it up and get ready to go. But here's the thing, we still gotta build the stand. Now these tanks are about 1,025 pounds. I don't know, 125 is Google, 8.5 gallons or 8 gallons. So that's the stand I made for that one right there. So I gotta do another stand for 2,000 pounds. Stay tuned for that one. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm sorry, let me go back to my secret sauce that I did. Let me clean you off right here. Secret sauce, what I did, I actually washed it first with the Dawn and a microfiber, dried it off. I washed it again with this right here, Rejuvenate, but this Rejuvenate did leave like a little sticky compound. So these were washed, you can see right through them. They were washed 3 times. Okay, I sprayed first of all I sprayed with Rejuvenate, but how I finally wound up doing it is I washed it with Dawn, lukewarm water, and a microfiber. I dried it off. I washed it with the Rejuvenate, I dried it off, and then I washed it again with Dawn. And I'm telling me, GoPro, you're losing me, just shutting off on me saying repairing file right in the middle of a video. So Dawn, Rejuvenate, Dawn, but it's the Rejuvenate Plastics Acrylic. Okay, so I'm gonna buy a bottle of invisiglass acrylic cleaner and we'll see how that does. But I mean, this actually tank is dirtier than that one. You can't really tell. If I get close, you can. I gotta clean them. Both of them need to be drained and cleaned. So the acrylic, we're just gonna clean it out with the, I gotta wait, it's 28 degrees in the garage, so I'm gonna pull with the tractor probably on a 4x8, pull the tank into the backyard on a nice summer day, wash it out on its side, or wash it out with Dawn really good, as best as I could get it with Dawn. If the invisiglass acrylic works good, we'll spray it with that. Then we'll bring it in here, put it where it's going to be in a stand, and I'll have to stand on something, and we're gonna seal it on its place, in its place. So while it's over there, while it's in the garage and it's winter time still, I can start building the stand. But that stand right there cost me 60 bucks in wood right there. So and it got to be bigger than that one. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.